Hello everyone out there, welcome to your channel The Knowledge Hub. Today I'm going to show you the microsheets for maths and our second topic. In the first video, the microsheets had the topic of fraction, which was under arithmetic. But today our topic here is geometry, and then we're going to discuss about triangles, which is a three-sided polygon. So now this is the first skill, our introductive skill. We are first going to introduce the topic about triangle. We are going to give example of some items, some things which have the shape of a triangle, so that students will be familiar with the topic, and we can also test their previous knowledge using this information. So introductive skill, this is the questions here. This is the pupil teachers activity, and we have the response from the students, and these are the components that have been used in this. Now the second skill we have is our explaining skill. Remember, in the explanation, the pupil teacher's activity, the student's activity, and the teaching aids. Teaching aids are very important part of the teaching process. So here we first have what a triangle is. We have given the definition, we have given the types of a triangle, to which students listen to this carefully. And then we have two developmentary questions. This is just a simple assessment to know whether our students are listening carefully, whether they are understanding or not. And then in our teaching aid we have a chart which shows a triangle, and this is an equilateral triangle which has equal sides and equal angles. We have also shown that it has we said it is a three-sided figure, so it has edge 1, edge 0, 1 and 2, that is 3 edges, and the vertex 0, 1 and 2, that is 3 vertexes, the 3 nodes here. And then we have the types of a triangle: the equilateral, the isosceles, the right angle, and the scalene triangle. And these are the components that have been used in the explanation skill microsheet. Now the third part we know is the blackboard skill. In this way we have our blackboard here. Remember, the first important thing we have to do is always label our blackboard carefully. We have the date, the class, the subject, the sub-subject, which is geometry, the topic triangle. We have the period, whether it's the first, second or third, then the duration. This is a micro teaching skill, so the duration is only 6 minutes. So first we give the definition of a triangle here. We have also said that an important property of a triangle is that the sum of all the internal angles is equal to 180 degrees. So I have also drawn here the different types of triangles here based on the number of sides, the equality of the sides and the angles, to which students write these neatly in their notebooks. And these are the components that have been used here. Now our fourth skill here is the questioning, which is very important. With this we can have an assessment of our students. We can check their knowledge, whether they have understood what we have taught them. So the pupil teachers activity, I have 7 questions here, to which the students have answered me very clearly. And these are the components here that have been used. And finally the reinforcement. We can see we have the pupils teachers activity, the students activity, and the reinforcement. So you see here there are these comments that are given based on the answers that the students have presented. The questions are here, they're all about the topic that we have just finished teaching the students. Their response is correct, it's right, that is to say they have listened carefully. And then we give the reinforcement skill, and these are the components that are used in the reinforcement skill. So this is the second topic under the maths microsheet for B.Ed first year students. Thank you.